Tired of messy, overgrown grass taking over your yard? Introducing the Grass Cutter 98V Rechargeable Cordless Trimmer, your powerful, portable solution for effortless lawn care. With its 1580-watt brushless motor spinning up to 18,000 RPM, this beast cuts through thick grass and stubborn weeds like butter. No cords, no noise, just pure power. Powered by a 98-volt lithium battery, you get high performance with low noise and long-lasting durability. Charge it, clip it, and clean up your yard. Anytime, anywhere. The adjustable handle and shaft design lets you trim edges, sloped areas, flower beds, and tight corners with zero back strain. Safety first. Dual switch control prevents accidents, while the splash guard and protective gear keep you covered. Each package comes loaded: saw blades, steel blades, PVC blades, protective gear, battery, and charger. Everything you need in one complete kit. Fast delivery within the Philippines, arrives in just 2 to 3 days, plus a lifetime warranty and 7-day hassle-free returns. Make yard work faster, easier, and even enjoyable. Take control of your lawn like a pro. Ready to upgrade your garden tools? Click the link below to get your Grass Cutter 98 volts today, while stocks last.